All right, DTFers, today I'm going to be showing you how I clean my DTF machine with this lint-free cotton wipes instead of using the swabs. Here I'm going to be adding some solution to this, and the reason I like to use these wipes is just because it's at a low cost comparing to these cleaning swabs that only 50 come, and you're probably using 3 to 4 a day. So you're going to be paying like about $16. These are a bit smaller, and the only time I use these swabs now, it's really when I'm going around the head or cleaning the head. But here, as you can see, this already has solution in it, and what I like to do is I like to squeeze it. That way the whole wipe gets wet, and it's going to make it easier when you clean the wiper, and it's just going to slide. Because if it's a little bit dry, it's not gonna slide easily. So you want to make sure it's wet, and then you could use the same wipe to clean the wiper and some of the stuff around the caps. So as you can see right here, I'm still using the same one. I folded, make sure there was some cleaning sides, because sometimes you only clean a little bit and you'll have like the other half of the wipe still clean, so you could use it. So right here I'm using the second one now just to clean a little better. Yeah, there are some areas there that are dirty, but I don't really care about those areas. I normally clean my machine weekly. That's when I do a full clean. But for daily, it's going to be getting dirty in those areas, and there's no point of wasting swabs or wipes. Just clean the parts that need to be cleaned. Right here I added some liquid, and as you can see I spilled it, but it's easy with these. It just picks it up, and look, right there I would have probably had to use a foam swab, and that was going to cost me money right there. So I recommend these. Do it at your own risk, but this is what's been working for me. And here are the wipes again. I bought them on Amazon. I want to say for $3.49 plus tax. And there you go. Follow and like for more.